The Air Car. An advanced electric car that has gained attention for its outstanding range and elegant amenities is the Air Car, typically linked with Lucid Motors' Lucid Air model. Offering a combination of premium craftsmanship and performance, the 2024 Lucid Air begins at $71,400. It has a designer interior, a neck-snapping acceleration, and the best estimated range in its segment. Notable for its affordable price and lengthy projected 410-mile driving range is the entry-level Pure model. Lucid's expertise in Formula E racing is the source of their revolutionary technology, which includes a new design for batteries and electric motors with a lot of power density. The FAA has recently authorized the flying electric car, which is now available for pre-sale at a price of about $300,000. This choice is for individuals seeking something even more futuristic. This vehicle can land and take off vertically and can be driven on public highways. Hitachi Rail Blues Train. Building a revolutionary hybrid regional train for Trenitalia, the Hitachi Rail Blues Train revolutionizes regional travel in Italy. It can run on diesel engines, a pantograph on electrified lines, and batteries. It's the first tri-mode battery hybrid train in usage in Europe. Built on the same chassis as Hitachi's Masaccio train, the Blues Train provides a pleasant and eco-friendly ride by effortlessly switching between electrified and non-electrified paths. It has plenty of room for strollers, bicycles, and bags, as well as particular sections for families and kids. Variations in length from 66.88 meter to 86.08 meter indicate the train's 3-car and 4-car modes of operation. A maximum speed of 160 kilometers per hour is achievable, and it can carry 224 to 306 passengers as well. To lower its fuel consumption and noise pollution, the Blues Train uses new generation. Pangeos Terayacht. Pierpaolo Lazzarini and the Lazzarini Design Studio have conceived of the Pangeos Terayacht as the biggest floating metropolis in the world. The anticipated dimensions of this turtle-shaped structure are 550 meters in length and 610 meters in width, making it twice as large as the Roman Colosseum. Its many lodging options, including palaces, mansions, and super villas, can accommodate up to 60,000 people. Pangeos is anticipated to be environmentally friendly, using 9 16,800 horsepower high-temperature superconductor engines. Solar panels and wave-breaking wings would power it, letting it cruise endlessly without emitting any pollution. The Terayacht is set to be built in a purpose-built shipyard and is expected to attain a cruising speed of 5 knots. The projected construction period is 8 years, and the cost is £6.8 billion. Another potential source of finance for the project is crowdfunding related to NFTs. GAC Gov. Within the context of the GAC Group's Tech Day event in China, the GAC Gov was shown as a cutting-edge, fully electric integrated mobility solution. Both in the air and on the ground, this one-of-a-kind design is comprised of 2 distinct vehicles that are capable of functioning either in tandem or independently. The letters associated with the terms GAC, on the go, vertical, and EV, have been combined to form the GOVE eVTOL vehicle. A vision of the future in which the passenger is seated inside the electric vertical takeoff and landing component of the GOVE, while the vehicle below it navigates on its own, is shown by this. While the electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle ascends vertically, it has already been accomplished that this fascinating idea has successfully completed its first flight outside of the corporate offices. The GAC Gov is considered to be an essential component of the company's next array of mobility vehicles. Dubai Healthcare City. One of the best places to get medical care and improve your health is Dubai Healthcare City. As a free economic zone devoted to healthcare, medical education, and research, DHCC was established in 2002 by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Healthcare and medical education are the primary foci of the first stage, while wellness is the primary emphasis of the second, which is still in its early stages of development. With over 120 inpatient and outpatient facilities as well as diagnostic labs, DHCC is home to over 4,000 medical experts, offering top-notch, patient-focused care. Nearby as well is Mohammed bin Rashid University of Health Sciences and Medicine. Patients travel from all over the globe to DHCC for a wide variety of medical operations, including cosmetic dentistry, infertility treatments, thanks to the hospital's convenient location and extensive service offerings. CycloTech CruiseUp. Combining cutting-edge technology with environmentally responsible transportation, the CycloTech CruiseUp is a revolutionary invention in the realm of urban mobility. The modern commuter is the target audience for this tiny electric-assisted bicycle, which places an emphasis on functionality, efficiency, and environmental friendliness. It is extraordinarily simple to ride even in crowded city streets thanks to CycloTech's one-of-a-kind C-Drive technology, which makes use of a gyroscopic mechanism to improve stability and maneuverability. The CruiseUp is equipped with this system. High-grade aluminum is used in the construction of its lightweight structure, which ensures durability without sacrificing portability. Riders are able to smoothly navigate hills and long distances thanks to the bike's electric motor, which is built to be both powerful and silent. It also provides seamless pedal assistance. VRCO XP4. Modern electric vertical takeoff and landing planes like the VRCO XP4, dubbed the hyper-luxury supercar of the skies, can accommodate 4 people. Its speed and agility come from its 4 turbofans, which can be tilted and rotated. The XP4 has a ballistic parachute for those times when you really need to escape a dangerous situation. This futuristic vehicle is a multi-purpose transportation solution for the contemporary day, because it can fly and also drive on roadways. An additional layer of safety and flight time is provided by its electric power system, in conjunction with a range extension technology that uses hydrogen. It is possible to personalize the XP4's interior to match that of a superyacht, thanks to the work of Italian designer Marco Casali, who also designed the yacht's exterior. The XP4 and the silent 120 electric catamaran are going to be paired together thanks to this design partnership with Silent Yachts. Unitri Go2. One example of state-of-the-art embodied AI is the Unitri Go2, a quadrupedal robot. With Unitri's own 4D LiDAR L11 technology, the Go2 is an interactive and versatile device with a price tag of $1,600. Because of this technology's 360° by 90° hemispherical ultra-wide recognition, the robot can easily traverse complicated terrains. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and 4G, so you can use the app to send high-definition images and control the device from a distance. Go2 tasks are efficiently handled by its ultra-long battery endurance of about 2 to 4 hours. Its intelligent side follow system, ISS 2.0, makes it better at following and interacting with humans. Online software updates can also be applied to the Go2. Impressive in its own right, this smart bionic robot represents the cutting edge of personal robotics and the potential of artificial intelligence as a companion. Samsung Biometric Card IC. An innovative security solution that aims to transform payment experiences is the Samsung Biometric Card IC. The S3B512C is an integrated circuit that provides an all-in-one authentication solution by integrating a fingerprint sensor, secure element, and secure processor onto a single chip. There is a common criteria evaluation assurance level, 6+ certification, and an EMVCO certification. To expedite and improve the security of transactions, the card enables users to utilize their fingerprint as an authentication method, rather than a PIN or signature. The card may store up to 3 fingerprints, and all biometric data is encrypted for security purposes. This innovation was named the Best of Innovation in Cybersecurity and Personal Privacy at the 2023 Consumer Electronics Show. The original price of the Samsung Biometric Card IC was $159. However, after the discount, it dropped to $91. OrCam MyEye. People who are visually impaired can benefit greatly from the innovative OrCam MyEye. Attached to eyeglasses, this little wearable device offers real-time audio descriptions of visual information. It improves daily life and independence with features including reading text from any surface, recognizing faces, identifying objects, and distinguishing colors and currency notes. A touch bar, voice commands, or hand gestures can operate the device, making it very accessible. It has an artificial intelligence assistant that allows users to ask questions and see larger versions of text and images, and it also has a smart magnifier. The OrCam MyEye provides a customized reading experience for those with varying degrees of visual impairment. With compatibility for more than 140 languages, this premium product is a versatile tool for people all over the globe. Payment options are available to help spread the expense of the OrCam MyEye, which starts at $4,250. Romotow Prototype. Revolutionizing the idea of caravanning, the Romotow Prototype is a revolutionary mobile living experience. It's a state-of-the-art travel trailer that comes with a patented design that allows it to be easily towed and then expands into a spacious living area with the simple touch of a button. Rotating the cabin away from the exterior shell exposes a deck that allows for indoor-outdoor living and increases the usable space by 70%. The Romotow provides an automated setup for easy camping and has classic design and high-end materials. Plans call for the production vehicle to be marginally longer to increase storage capacity, but otherwise, the inside is planned to be as practical and comfortable as possible. Those who enjoy traveling but don't want to give up any of home's conveniences will love this top-secret creation, which has a patio that serves as both an outdoor kitchen and eating space. HaptX Gloves G1. When it comes to haptic technology, the HaptX Gloves G1 are revolutionary because of the lifelike touch sensations they provide in virtual worlds. The unique microfluidic technology that powers these gloves gives users an unmatched sense of realism when it comes to feeling the shape, texture, and motion of virtual things. The G1 model's 135 tactile actuators per glove deliver accurate feedback and a maximum of 8 lbf of force per digit, creating an exceptionally realistic experience for digital interactions. In addition to immersive experiences, professional training, design, and robotics are just a few areas where the HaptX Gloves G1 shine in business applications. Their enhanced capabilities and focus on enterprise pricing are reflected in the beginning price of $5,495 per pair. Ongoing support, maintenance, and SDK access are also included in the $495 monthly subscription price. Spacex Heavy Moonbase. A moonbase is an integral part of SpaceX's plans for the Starship spacecraft and the Super Heavy rocket. From Earth orbit to the Moon and Mars and beyond, this reusable transportation system can convey people and goods. When completely reusable, Starship can carry up to 150 metric tons of payload, and when disposable, it can carry up to 250 metric tons. This makes it the most powerful launch vehicle ever built. For the first time in more than 50 years, as part of NASA's Artemis missions, the idea of a moonbase entails landing people on the lunar surface utilizing Starship. Artemis III is the first mission in the planned moonbase surveying and moonwalking mission, during which the Starship will dock with crew members close to the lunar South Pole. In order to conduct thorough surface exploration, future missions will provide the resources, tools, and scientific payloads that are required. MetroTaifun. The revolutionary MetroTaifun automatic waste collection system ushers in a new era of garbage management. It uses state-of-the-art pneumatic conveying technology to move recyclables and trash up to 4 kilometers from the collection site via an interconnected system of pipelines, some of which are below ground and others of which are above. Areas such as residential neighborhoods, healthcare facilities, business districts, and retail malls are all intended users of this system. Eliminating the need for conventional garbage trucks and their associated pollution and traffic problems, the MetroTaifun system provides a clean and effective alternative. This aligns with Marimatic's objective of bringing waste management into the current era through technological means. With installations in more than 40 countries, MetroTaifun is revolutionizing garbage management by making it more sustainable, silent, and environmentally friendly. Buick Wildcat Ev. concept automobile design for Buick's future electric vehicle portfolio is the Wildcat EV. Its sleek two-door coupe body form, which harkens back to the iconic Wildcat cars of the 1950s, exhibits a daring new design language for the company and was unveiled in June 2022. Redesigned with the capability to light up and featuring divided shields with colorful swooshes, the Wildcat EV concept's corporate tree shield insignia stands out. This prototype vehicle is more than meets the eye. It serves as a foundation for cutting-edge technologies like aromatherapy, biometrics, and artificial intelligence. Its purpose is to improve the driving experience by modifying the vehicle's settings to produce a relaxing atmosphere when it detects an increase in the driver's pulse rate. Contrary to popular belief, the Wildcat EV is not an electric SUV, but rather a low-slung 2+2 coupe with a shark face front fascia. Infiniti SYPNATIQ. As far as the Infiniti Synaptic is concerned, in the year 2029, cutting-edge technology will have allowed for the seamless connection of driver and vehicle. The ARC, Air Rally Circuit Triathlon, is an idea that Infiniti has been working on. The race takes place from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, through the desert to the Grand Canyon, and back to Los Angeles in a jet race. The three vehicle types, an off-road buggy, a Formula One car, and a universal fuselage pod, can adapt to certain race phases. The goal of the Synaptic system is to improve performance and the driving experience by establishing a mutually beneficial relationship between the driver and the machine. With the use of a spinal lock attachment, it integrates symbiotic user interface technology, which links the driver's thoughts directly to the vehicle. The suit's built-in synthetic muscles put the driver in the best possible posture. Céleste Zephalto. The French business Zephalto is working on a groundbreaking aerospace project called Céleste Zephalto that aims to provide a one-of-a-kind experience of traveling through space. Celeste, a pressurized capsule with views through 3-meter-wide windows, is the main attraction of this endeavor. Its purpose is to take passengers to a height of 25 kilometers above Earth's surface. There are 3 cabins on the trip, and each one can accommodate 2 persons in utmost seclusion. The view is only part of the experience. Each guest is taken on a unique journey by Zephalto's designers. Along for the ride will be pioneers in the field of stratospheric travel, and they will be a part of history. A 20-meter pressurized module, the capsule is aesthetically pleasing and environmentally friendly. A low-carbon journey to space is redefining space travel standards via environmental commitment and a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Hydrogen Hyperion XP1. And technical marvel, the Hydrogen Hyperion XP1 is a hypercar that advocates for a more sustainable future while simultaneously breaking new ground in terms of speed. An impressive 0 to 60 time of 2.2 seconds and a top speed of 221 miles per hour make the XP1 a prime example of the possibilities offered by hydrogen power. Its propulsion system is an assertion about the potential of hydrogen as an environmentally friendly energy source for the automobile sector, and not only because of its raw speed. A carbon titanium monocoque chassis and an aerodynamic, streamlined profile give the XP1 an aesthetic and practical edge. A high-voltage fuel cell and axial flux motors enable this vehicle to do more than simply drive. It can also glide. This new technology, however, is not without cost. A limited edition masterpiece, the Hyperion XP1 costs almost $2 million. It's more than just a vehicle. It represents transportation's past and its potential future. DJI Mini 4. After the fantastic DJI Mini 3 Pro, many are eagerly awaiting the release of the new and improved DJI Mini 4 Pro. It is anticipated to remain in the sub-250G category, which allows it to evade some laws and makes it an attractive drone for photographers capturing aerial shots. The Mini 4 Pro is said to be released in late September, just in time for new US regulations that would make heavier drones disclose their whereabouts. According to rumors, it has a few small upgrades over its predecessor, including as a better obstacle avoidance system, better transmission technology, longer flight periods, and DJI's new RC2 controller. The Mini 4 Pro, with its lightweight design and professional-level functionality, is set to carry on the success of its predecessor, which was known for its small size and intelligent features. Meanwhile, the drone community is getting quite excited over certain leaked photographs and details, and they can't wait for the official reveal. Natilus Cargo Drone. A game-changer in the history of air freight technology is the Natilus Cargo Drone. The worldwide supply chain is set to be revolutionized by this next-generation blended wing-body aircraft, thanks to its aerodynamic efficiency and lower fuel consumption. The drone's diamond cargo area provides twice as much space for cargo, which means more money in your pocket. No additional expenditure is necessary for the operation of Natilus drones at normal airports because they interface easily with existing infrastructure. Additionally, the company's FAA-certified autopilot let air freight operators scale up or down depending on demand, which helps alleviate pilot shortages. With its hydrogen electric engines, Natilus drones can lower emissions by more than 80%, getting them closer to zero emissions. Its goal is to make zero-carbon air cargo a reality. Without sacrificing payload capacity or range, the design is perfect for transporting hydrogen tanks.